Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn your Instagram account into private account. Let's launch the app. Let's click on your profile picture, then click on the top three arrows on top, and then you go to your settings and privacy. You scroll down and you will find something called account privacy. You click on the account privacy and here you have to toggle in the actual private account. What this will actually do, this will simply provide protection to each of your posts, and this simply can be seen by anyone. This means that no one will be able to see your post, even if they don't have your Instagram account. When your account is private, only the followers you approve can see what you share, including your photos or videos or hashtags and location pages. This, guys, means that if you try to hide your content or your account from someone who is already in your followers, you better remove this person or this account from your current followers, because when you make it private, he still will be able to see your content. So this will not help you. So if you try to hide your content from someone who is already following you, you have to remove them and then turn your account into private account. Subscribe and follow for more.